Buddy, how's it going? I hope I got some views and subscribers by now, but probably not. But this is take two on the old 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. Y'all know I was having problems with it. I couldn't get it run. It was throwing all kinds of codes and stuff, and well, I figured it out. I watched a bunch of videos, and nobody really helped me out on this whole situation, because I kept throwing a P0438 code or something or another. I kept throwing several codes, to tell you the truth. My Blazer was in limp mode. It wouldn't let it get up above 2,500 RPMs. Yeah, 2,500 RPMs. It's not enough to travel down the road, obviously. But I figured it out. You know, I did a lot of stuff. I spent a lot of money. Here's one of the parts that I bought, and this is the accelerator pedal, and it's all fly-by wiring on 2006 Chevy Trailblazers, so there's no cable. It's just electronic. I replaced this. I still had problems. I couldn't figure out what was going on. My scanner is going off over here because I'm resetting all the computer system on it. But yeah, I went through all kinds of stuff. I went through wiring. We checked some wiring to see if we found any broke connections, what have you, right here on the throttle body. Yeah, I got all the wires bare. I wired in a new plug for my TAC, throttle actuator control, for y'all out there that don't know what a TAC is. I did everything. I mean, I went back all the way back to the ECM and made sure all my plugs were good, make sure there wasn't no broken wires. I had a couple broken wires on the alternator, but when I put them wires together, it didn't really change nothing on the truck. But here's the thing that got me. If you look right here, there's the screws, and they hold the plugs for your fuse panel. These screws were backed out. My fuse panel was not getting a good connection. That's the problem, guys. Check it out. Here's the outcome of that Genius Find. Look at it. Sucker's purring like a kitten. Purring like a kitten. Yeah, for all you guys that have a problem with these Trailblazers, you know, they say don't unhook the battery. Heed the warning on that, because it will throw up a bunch of codes too. It'll mess with your heater doors, your flapper doors. But that's it. It's running. That was the fix. Just check the fuse panel. Check these screws. Make sure they're all tight. I'm glad I could help anybody out there. I couldn't find nobody to help me, so you know, I just had to use my brain. It took me a while. This thing's been sitting here for probably about a month now, me tinkering with it, trying to figure out what's going on. I've changed everything. I changed the throttle body, or the TAC, the throttle actuator control. I changed that. I changed the wiring harness on the TAC. I changed the EVAP box by the gas tank. I chased wiring down from the TAC to the ECM. I checked the ECM, made sure the plugs were all good, there wasn't no corrosion. I checked for body grounds. I did a number of things, man. I went round and round with this thing. But yeah, that was it. That's the fix right there. Check your fuse panel. You know, check these screws. These screws are even a little bit loose. That's a telltale sign that they're not getting a good connection underneath there, because it's a giant plug that plugs in from the bottom, and the screws pull it from the top and pull it up tight. If it's not tight, then it's not getting a good connection, and for all kinds of codes. But good luck to you guys out there if y'all have the same problem. Hope this can help. Peace out. This is Redneck Red, Red's Crazy Show. Y'all subscribe.